Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the workbook for compatibility. First, make sure the file is saved and you have a backup copy. This prevents accidental data loss. Then open Excel and load the workbook you want to convert. Once done, check the file name extension so you know whether conversion is required. Files ending in XLSX may need special saving. Now go to the File menu to start the conversion process because that's where the compatibility tools live. Now you'll save the workbook in an older file format. Go to File, then Save As and choose Browse for full save options. From Save As, pick Excel 97-2003 workbook, which enforces compatibility mode. When you click Save, Excel runs the compatibility checker and lists features that won't work. Read each item. If a feature is non-essential, remove or replace it, then save again. Make sure you understand which formatting or functions. Finish by opening the newly saved XLS file and verify the title bar indicates compatibility mode. This confirms Excel is treating the file as older format. Next, test critical formulas, charts, and macros because some functions behave differently or are unsupported. If you encounter problems, stop and revert to your backup copy, then change or remove the incompatible features highlighted earlier. A useful troubleshooting tip: run Compatibility Checker again after each change to see whether the specific issue was resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.